My friend hasn't got a name, so we're just going to call her the NT07 friend. So we've got the finest duo there ever was, the Deauville and the MT. We've also got the new screen and deflectors. So it's like I'm living up that police bike appearance. We're living up to the Deauville's reputation. Look at this. It's flipping. Let's. I can do that too. I can't do it quite as quick as that. It's not as easy when you've got flipping 236 kilos of flipping absolute performance underneath you. Oh dear, this is not good. We appear to be ascending into the hills again. Yeah, we came down this exact route earlier, riding 2 up, and it was absolutely horrendous. At one point I thought I was going to fly off a cliff. Managing to keep up though, that's what matters.
A few moments later.
Jesus Christ, this is flipping dreadful. Why on earth has my GPS used me as a human sacrifice to the hills? I'm gonna have to stop. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I can't go any further. Flipping heck. We're aborting the mission. I think it's because I've got no signal, nothing's working at all. We need to go back. I can't go any further this way.
Yeah, okay.
What a flipping disaster. Jesus Christ. Well, I'm going to have to go dead slow. Right. So, apparently on this episode of Storm Chasers, me and my friend on a virtually brand new MT07 attempt to tackle the voyage home from Macclesfield. You're probably wondering why it seems like I'm going back to Macclesfield. It's because it's too windy up here. Jesus Christ. I can't even see when my visor's shut, so I've currently got the visor open and it feels like I'm being hit in the face with flipping pebbles. Pooley's top tip is not to take a Deauville out during a declared storm. It's not really ideal, to be honest. I mean, the views are great, but it's like a life and death situation, this is, because one gust of wind and you're flipping off a cliff, free falling to your death. I mean, that's the only way to achieve the top speed on this bike, is to send it off one of those send it off that cliff there. Flipping kill me now. Kill me now. This flipping weather. I'm up for swapping bikes if you want. I'll leave this one here and go buy a new one.
Mine's actually completely fine. Like, it's a bit funny in the wind, but nothing compared to yours.
Let's try this again. So, apart from this being a basically me moaning about the weather for 10 minutes, this video can be a PSA of sorts. As you can see, we've got the new I promise I'm done moaning about the weather. I'm going to try my best not to moan about it. So yeah, got the new bits on the Deauville. Got some hand deflectors. Got a new screen. Not that it's doing much because I'm still getting chucked about by that weather. What else we got? I've redone my USB ports in my glove box, but I'm not going to flipping get off the bike to show you, because if I get off the bike it'll be when the wind blows me off it. As you can see, I've trimmed the screen and the deflectors with this nice little rubber trim. To be honest, the modifications just aren't of interest to me at this point. I just want to get home. Well, look at this, we've got flipping, at least someone's having fun. Flipping behind me, it's flipping, wish I had that kind of spirit. Oh lovely, thank you for that Mr. Lorry, thank you very much. Flipping egg, Jesus Christ, this is just like, I mean my feet are wet through. I can't even flipping, I'm probably going to have like trench foot by the time I've flipping run this 42 mile that I've got left. So yeah, I don't know if I've flipping, might have cut it out, might have edited it out, but what have you, because of the weather. But yeah, new screen, new deflectors, we've flipping USB ports, we've got flipping Facebook page. Oh, we've even got a business email, so if you even want to email me, flipping go for it. It's something like pooley.business@googlemail.com. Look at this, we've got a flipping biker pal. Pannier brother, yes! Flipping, that's a way cooler bike than yours, flipping MT-07. Flipping piece of shit. Yes! Flipping it ain't got panniers, it ain't cool. See, it's not the bike that's the issue, totally not. Flipping, this thing, the most aerodynamic thing on Britain's roads. It's totally just the weather. Jesus. Flipping heck. Well yeah, there's a lot of fairing, there's a lot of surface area. I mean, this has probably got more square meterage than my flipping bedroom, this bike has. Can have a rest for a minute. Oh, flipping heck. It's probably going to look rather amusing. Flipping banter. Flipping motorcycle banter. Yes! Flipping, I'm out of here. Flipping filtering on a Deauville, who'd have thought it? Oh, yes! Flipping tractor! Been flipping exhausting today, as on the way here, I'm not joking, the wind, it was just unbelievable. We almost ended up flipping having that 10 times worse on the way back if we hadn't turned back and gone via the A52. I'm not sure how much flipping Jesus Christ. I was about to say, I don't know how much battery life I've got left on the cameras, so I guess it's going to it's probably going to end before that when I die, but yeah. Sorry if you can't see anything, I'm trying to duck down a little bit to try and flipping protect myself from the elements. I don't know what it is about me and making videos on like the windiest days possible. Jesus Christ. Flipping, who needs engine braking when you've got the wind? Look at this, flipping aerodynamic mode. Look at this, just flipping dukes. Flipping can't talk. Flipping containing my excitement after seeing a flipping tractor. Flipping could have licked that lorry if I wanted to. That close. Fantastic. This wasn't part of the plan originally, stopping by Ashbourne, but Flipping need a pit stop after all that fighting with the wind. Flipping made it. Pit stop, so expect a cut imminently. Do you want me to lead?
I can't hear you.
I'm going to lead the way. I'll go first. There we go. Flipping done at Ashbourne Market. Flipping went to the Georgian Dragon or something or the other it was called. Had a bevy. Flipping game of pool or billiards. No, it was pool. And sorted. On the way home now. Hopefully the weather is a bit better, which I think it will be. But we'll have to wait and see. So yeah, it's going to be a bit familiar to the route we took when we first came here and riding the alphabet.
Can you do it?
I can do if you want. We are also down to the one camera, so you've got a different camera angle. Flipping crazy. Who'd have thought it? On the Pooley channel, flipping different camera angle. Still got the good old master of talk behind me. You just can't see her, but you'll probably see her fly past me in a minute. Look at this, flipping the raw power. Been left in dust by the flipping MT-07, as to be expected. Don't worry, I'm on my way. Flipping slow and steady wins the race. Oh, come on, flipping. Flipping, where was the power then? Wasn't going anywhere. I bet it looks like I'm flipping instructor or something. Someone's doing the flipping A2 license or something or the other. I'm flipping Mr. Instructor here. With my high vis. It's like flipping, take the next left. No, don't stop swerving like that. Take the next left. It's like flipping the radios that instructors use are always flipping pants as well. Look at that flipping showboating. I can do that. It's just like only on Tuesdays. Flipping the voyage home's almost complete. The MT-07 made it in one piece. Me in the Deauville, yeah, I made it in one piece well enough. Flipping, there were a few occasions I thought bike were going to go flying down a cliff, but we managed. So yeah, for the most part this one's done, so I hope you've enjoyed this instalment of Deauvlog. I think it's episode 13. Do the numbers even matter? Probably not. I just like to flipping organise them. Flipping 13, that's funny that. Flipping Superstition, episode 13's flipping I almost died on. Flying off a cliff. But hey ho. Oh, as I've lost my friend, I'll end this episode there. And join me next time on a episode of Deauvlog, or riding the alphabet, depending on what I get done first. Let's flipping pull over here. We need to flipping regroup here. So while I wait, I'll see you next time on Deauvlog.